In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate values in Jotform. By the end, you'll know how to turn choices and numbers in your form into automatic totals, scores, or prices without any coding. First, open your form in the Form Builder and add the questions or fields you want to include in a calculation. You can use single choice fields, which are radio buttons, multiple choice checkboxes, drop-downs, and plain number fields. Think of common uses, grading a quiz where each answer has a point value, or a simple order form where each item has a price. Make sure the fields you add match the kind of calculation you want to do later. Next, assign calculation values to your choice-based fields so Jotform knows what each option is worth. Click the field you want to use, like a multiple choice or a drop-down, then open Properties with the gear icon and go to the Options tab. Find the Calculation Values section. Here, enter a numeric value for each choice in order separated by commas. For example, if you have 3 choices, you might enter 5, 10, 0. The first value applies to the first choice, the second to the second, and so on. If a choice shouldn't add anything, give it a 0. Double check that you have the same number of values as choices, and keep them numeric to avoid calculation errors. Now add a place for the result to appear. Go to Form Elements, open the Widgets tab, and drag the Form Calculation widget into your form. This widget is your calculator display. It will show the total score, price, or result. Click the widget to open the calculation editor. Inside the editor, build your calculation. Click Add Field to pull in the questions or number fields you want to include, and use the operators for math. Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, and / for division. For a quiz, you might add the fields for question 1, question 2, and question 3 together to produce a total score. If you're doing pricing, you can add choice values or multiply a price by a quantity field. The editor lets you mix fields and numbers, and you can click each field to insert it exactly where it belongs. When it looks right, click Save. To wrap up, preview your form and test a few combinations to confirm the totals behave as expected. If something looks off, revisit calculation values or the formula. And that's it. You've created a smart, self-calculating Jotform.